Nursery cartoon love, journey with hoorah.
In the garden where laughter and sunlight conspire, 5 ducks waddle in joy, their spirits afire. With feathers of gold and a quack that's so bright, they dance through the daisies from morning till night. A baby elephant joins with the trumpet-like cheer, his laughter like raindrops, both afire and clear. He splashes in puddles made by evening's sweet dew, as the ducks form a circle, a whimsical crew. Now enter the giraffe with his neck reaching high. He peers at the clouds drifting soft in the sky, with spots painted gently like dreams on a quilt. He bends down to join them, such magic is built. Together they frolic beneath blossoms sway, each moment a treasure in this dreamy ballet. The ducks paddle past lilies adorned with pure grace, while giggles ring out as they splash every face. A picnic unfolds on a blanket of green, with cupcakes and berries. Oh, what a scene! The elephants munch while giraffes reach for fruit, and all around whispers sweet melodies root.
Hi friends! Kiki, you're here! Jump again!
Let's dance, cries the leader of 5 feathered friends, as they twirl and they whirl until daylight descends. The moon peek-a-boos through leaves shimmering bright, it glimmers like stardust in soft silver light. Then night wraps its arms round this jubilant crew, with dreams filled with colors that sparkle anew. 5 ducks snuggle close to their big buddies near, in this garden of wonders where joy conquers fear.
Wow, the sky is glowing and the moon is peeking through.
So when you find gardens where wild tales are spun, remember those friends who make life so fun. The elephants trumpeting under skies vast and wide,
You're here! Jump again!
and 5 joyful ducks who forever abide.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with hoorah.